So the rose bun is basically just a rope braid. Yes, would you like to explain it? The rope The rose bun is basically a rope braid that has been twisted into a bun. But I found out that it works better if you do two rope braids from your ponytail and twist them into a bun. So you're about to see that. I just got a few of these spin pins, and people are right. They are amazing. Super good at holding. You just screw them into your hair, and you need far fewer than with other kinds of pins. So I am adding them to my favorite hair accessories at bit.ly/hairtoys, all lowercase. So you can learn more about them there.